Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Each year, thousands of people die without leaving a will. All too often, this creates unnecessary expense and hardship for the family of the deceased during an already difficult time. Having a will in place will ensure your loved ones have one less thing to worry about after you pass. But making a will is counterproductive if your loved ones cannot locate the will in the first place. In such circumstances, family members might assume that you don't have a will, and as a result, your estate will be divided according to intestacy laws rather than your specific wishes. So where can you keep your will so loved ones can easily locate it? One option is a will bank. A will bank offers a safe and secure place to store your will so your family can readily access it upon your passing. Alternatively, you may decide to keep your will with a lawyer or in a safety deposit box. Regardless of which option you choose, it's always wise to tell someone you trust about the whereabouts of your will. At RP Emery, we provide a legal will and testament kit to help guide you through the process of writing your own will. To be valid, a will must meet 3 requirements. Firstly, it must be in writing. Secondly, it must be signed. And thirdly, it must be witnessed by 2 people who are not benefiting from its contents. You will also need to appoint a trusted person as executor. This person will be responsible for carrying out your wishes under the will. The RP Emery Will Kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions and is available for immediate download. For more information, click on the links below.